What's going on, guys? Today we're working on a Subaru Forester STI. How you guys doing? So today we're going to be working on, like I said, Subaru Forester. It's a 2016 STI TS special, and got a couple of things to do, just aesthetics things that we're going to work on. The back windscreen wiper's been ripped off, and the third brake light has been smashed in. So we're going to replace those two today, and I'll take you through just if it's easy or I screw it up. So let's give it a go. Subaru genuine cars. That's it. There you go. And windscreen wiper as well. Oh, bit bright. So just so you guys can see what am I going to do today and what's happened. So that's the back windscreen wiper. And recently we had some big winds. We got some big winds today as well. And our trampoline decided to jump the fence, and somehow it's managed to rip that guy off, and this is loose. Somehow only hit the third brake light. I have no idea how. There's no other damage on the car at all. The panels are perfect. The glass is fine. But somehow it's managed to hit the windscreen wiper and the third brake light, which is, if you have a look, it's actually underneath the spoiler. So, yeah, baffling stuff. Don't know how it did that. Okay, so first thing I'm going to do is put the windscreen wiper back on. So that's the old guy. And as you can see, that's been snapped off. And then the new one looks a bit more full. So and that looks like it just clips in. Shouldn't be that hard, right? So first thing we've got to do, so this arm is actually broken, and I think we're already going to run into a bit of trouble because I don't think we've got all the parts for it, but I'll get you to that stage anyway. So first thing we've got to do is take off this cover. And so there's a little pin, plastic pin on the top and on the bottom, and all we need to do is just pop those guys open. So that one's holding, and that one's holding, and then we can just slide him off. That's it. So then we'll take off that little nut, and this guy should pop straight out. That's all right. There you go. So he's off. That's cool. And like I was saying, so that piece there, I'm pretty sure that's the new piece. That's the broken piece that goes against the windscreen. I'm missing one section, so I think I've got to go back to Subaru and order some new part on another part. for this guy. So that's not done yet, but we can keep going with the spoiler. So first thing we've got to do is on top of the spoiler are these little caps. And you just got to pry it open with a little flathead screwdriver, and that'll pop open. You can see in there a little Phillips head or nut that we can take off. And there's another one on the other side. Just be gentle when you're taking these out. You don't want to scratch the paint off. Oh, cool. That's a scary part. You've got all those little plastic clips. Okay, so that's the inside cover. On the interior, they've just taken off. And it took me a little while because I was trying to unplug these clips without seeing where they are. So you just got to be a little bit slow, take it easy with it. If they break, it's not going to go back in the right way. So this is out. I can now get access to the electrical part to disconnect the wires for the tail light, for the brake light. And then there's a couple of screws, I believe, and then the spoiler will be able to come out. Unbelievable. This would not go away. That's your... What I ended up doing was, with the screwdriver, and it's probably not advised, I used the towel. I put the towel underneath the screwdriver and I started prying away. The problem I was having is these green little grommets. There's five of them across the back, and 2 of them you can't get to. So that made it difficult. Now I've just got to unplug the third brake light, and there's a couple, 1, 2 nuts to take off, and that brake light should come out. So this is on the inside of the spoiler, and we need to take out this little fella here, and there's another one on the other side. Awesome, don't have to worry about it. Now let's just go backwards. Let's see if I can do that. So, lights in. Oh yeah. It's all good to go. So a little bit of sticky tape on it. I'm using sticky tape to hold the other one up, so it wouldn't get any water in it. That's alright. I'll give it a clean. Keep the wife happy. What do you say? So, putting the lid down. Plug it back in, goes in there. 1, 2, 3. You can see that red bit. And do it all backwards. And that's it. Last thing is the test. Does the brakes turn on? Fingers crossed. Oh yeah, not bad. Just admire it. How good is that? Hey, how good is that? Alright. Another job complete. Alright. So that one's done. Tick that one off the list. Like I said, I've got to order some more parts, obviously, and order another arm to my windscreen wiper. That's right, that's for another day. But for the moment, yeah, so that's all done. It probably took me, realistically, probably an hour to do everything. I haven't got a manual for this guy, and this is literally the first time I've ever worked on this car. It's very new for me, this car, and I haven't been comfortable working on it. So usually we'll send it off to the mechanic if there's something, a servicing needs done or whatever. So this is the very first time I've ever touched it. And it was pretty straightforward. Didn't have to disconnect batteries or restart anything like that. So it made the job a lot easier. A couple of tools were set of screwdrivers, Stanley set of sockets, and a pair of pliers. And that got me through the whole job, no problem. Yeah, and just a little bit of kind of narrowing down problem solving, and it was all fine. So, like we always say, if you don't know what you're doing, have a crack. Just give it a go. Try out a few different things. Sometimes things break, sometimes they don't. Sometimes you get lucky, but yeah, just give it a crack, guys. Hey guys, thanks for watching. Hit the like button, subscribe, share it with all your friends, make some comments. If you've got any suggestions, let us know. And we'll see you on the next episode. Hopefully it's with the Ford AU Falcon that we've been working on. Yeah, we'll keep you updated with how that's going. Talk soon.